unboxing a beautiful plant. This is from Daraz. Okay, and I'm going to unbox this. I'll show you exactly what's inside. Let's see the plant inside. Unboxing this beautiful plant. Okay, they have put it very safely here. I bought this mother of thousands plant. Wow, it's really very healthy. I'm going to remove all this stuff. Mother of thousands plant which I ordered from Daraz online. So this is a beautiful plant and I'm going to keep it indoors near a windowsill. What are the plants normally do you bring from online? Plant is in good condition, only thing is now it needs water. It's beautiful, and also I love this plant, so green and lush.